Hi to all. Today I'm going to discuss about the concept, basics of C. The first one is constants. So, what is a constant and what are all the types of constants in C? So, going to explain in this concept. Okay, girls. Let's go into the topic. Constants in C. Before constants, variables and constants are two most important concepts. Variable, what is variable means? The value of the variable can be changed anytime during the execution of the program. Variable means it may be vary. If for example, if you assign a value of I is equal to 10, it may be changed as 11, 12 like that. If you give I plus plus, the value of the I will be changed. So the value of the variable can be changed during any time execution of the program is called a variable. Okay. Variables are used to store values, used to store data that might change during program execution. In contrast to variable, a constant. Constant means value of the constant is not changed during execution of the program. Okay. Does not change during execution of the program. Throughout the program, the value remains the same. It does not change. That's called the constant. What is the usage of the constants in C programs? Or it is used to declare something that won't be changed during program execution. Okay, for example, the value of pi is 3.14. It does not change because the value is universally the pi value is 3.14 in mathematics. So, like this type of values, we can't change it during the execution of the program. That values are declared using the keyword constant in C. Okay, this is the definition of constant. The value of the constant is not changed during execution of the program. It is used to declare something that won't be changed during program execution. Okay, so this is the definition of variable and constant. But today we are going to see about only constants. In my next class, I will discuss about the variables of C. Okay. So this is an example picture that constant means it does not change throughout the program, but variables means it will change during the execution of the program. So this is symbolically given in the picture. It was in the open stage, it was in the closed state. Okay, constant means once you declare a variable as constant, it can't change during the execution of that program. But in variables, if you declare a variable as variables, the value may be changed during the execution of the program. So in this picture, it was noted as in the open box. Okay. So this is again the definition of the constants. Any unchanged value in a program during the program execution is called constant. Following the constants in C language, there are numeric constants, a string or character constants. Further divided into real constants and a single character constant and also. Okay, constant means the one in one line, it does not change during the execution of the program, is called a constant in C. So these are all the types of constants in C. Constants are divided into two types, numeric constants and character constants. Numeric constant is divided into two types, integer constants and real constants. Like that, the character constants are divided into two types, single character constants and string constants. Okay, this is the type of constants in C. Constants are divided into two types, numeric and character. Numeric constants divided into two types, integer and real. Character constants is divided into two types, single character constants and string constants. Okay, let we see this in detail in my today's class. So let's go. What is constant? I am explained that the value does not change during the execution of the program is called the constants. It is divided into two types, numeric and character. Numeric is divided into two types. Integer constant means the whole number is called the integer number. It must be a positive or negative value. Like that, the real values or decimal point are included in that. In single character constants, uh, any single character or special characters or numbers enclosed within single quotes are called single character constants. A string means a sequence of characters are called strings that is enclosed between double quotes is called string constants. Okay. So this is constants are also known as literals in C. We can use the word literals for constants in C. constants or quantities whose value do not change during the program execution. There are two types of constants, numeric constants and character constants. If you want to declare a constant in C, you must use the keyword const before the variable name. In this example, you can see A is the variable name. This is the keyword constant. Const. This is the data type. Okay. Data type and variables are declared in my further classes. This is the concept of constant only. So just to keep it in your mind what I am telling, you will easily understand in my next classes what is variable and data type all. Okay. This is the keyword. By using the keyword const only, you can declare the constant variables. Okay, sorry, constants in C, not variables, constants in C. The character const can be declared before or after the data type. You can use the keyword before the data type or after the data type. Here, integer is the data type. After the integer, const keyword is used here. In this example, const keyword is prior to the data type integer. Okay, the keyword const can be declared before or after the data type. So the first type of the constant is the integer constant. Integer constants refer to a sequence of digits. Okay, digits means the numbers, all the things. Sequence of digits which includes only negative or positive values and many other things. Those are as follows. And the integer constants are divided into three types: decimal integer constant, octal integer constants, and hexadecimal integer constants. Okay, an integer constant means it must have at least one digit. It must not have a decimal value. In integer constant, it does not have a decimal value. It could be either a positive or negative number. If no sign is specified, if the sign is not specified, it should be treated as positive number. Okay, no spaces and commas are allowed in name. Okay, this is the integer constant. Integer constant must have at least one digit. It does not have a decimal value. It could be either a positive or negative. If no sign is specified, then it could be treated as a positive number. Okay, this is in this picture I shown you the types of integer constants. The first one is decimal integer, octal integer constants, and the last one is hexadecimal integer constant. Example, you can see this decimal integer means the whole number here is called the decimal integer. In the octal integer, octal means the number between 0 to 7. Octal integer are represented by preceding a 0 in the number. In the second one, it was wrongly placed the 0 in the last, but octal numbers are between 0 to 7 and preceded by the value 0. Okay, this is called the octal integer constant. Hexadecimal integer means the numbers between 1 to 9. For 10 to 15, we replace A to F. Okay, this is the hexadecimal integer constants. And then the hexadecimal integer constants are referred as preceded by a value 0x. Okay, hexadecimal numbers always preceded by a value 0x before the value of the hexadecimal. So this is the constants and the equivalent examples are shown in this picture. Integer constants, real, character and string. Integer constants are divided into three types: decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Decimal integers are those between 0 to 9. Octal integers are the numbers between 0 to 7 preceded by the value 0. Hexadecimal integer constants are the numbers from A to 9, and for 10 to 15 we replace A to F. And the numbers are preceded by 0x. X can be either a small letter or capital letters. Okay. A real constant, this is example of real constant means it has a decimal value, and mantis and exponents also included here. Character constant is a single character, special character or number enclosed within a single quotes is called the character constant. String means sequence of characters are called strings. Sequence of character enclosed between double quotes is called string constants in C. Okay, this is the expansions of the decimal integer constants in octal and hexadecimal. Decimal constants consist of set of digits from 0 to 9 preceded by a plus or optional sign. It may be either a positive or negative. If you doesn't specify any sign, it is considered as a positive number. The examples of decimal constants are 1, 3, 7 shown like this. Here there is no sign is mentioned here, so these numbers are considered as positive numbers. If you want a negative number, you replace a minus before the numbers 1, 3, or 7, etc. Okay. And then the second type is octal integer constant. An octal integer constant consists of any combination of digits between 0 and 7. 0 to 7, that is called octal integers, but the numbers have leading with 0. Here 38 leaded with 0, 32 0 with 0, this is 0 here, this is 0 here. These are all the examples of the octal integer constants. And then in the hexadecimal integer constant, here it is mistakenly I wrote this octal, but this is hexadecimal here. The hexadecimal integer constants of any combination of digits from 0 to F, 0 to 9, and for 10 it is replaced with A, for 11 replaced with B, like that. 15 is replaced with F. Okay, with an leading 0x or 0 capital X or placed. So these are all the examples of the hexadecimal integer constants. Here this is not octal, you replace this, keep it in your mind that this is hexadecimal, I mistakenly given here as octal. So then the rules for constructing integer constants. Okay, what are the rules? Means it must be a decimal point, it can be either positive or negative. If no sign is given, it should be considered as a positive number. No comma or blanks are allowed within an integer constants. The allowable range of integer constants is this one, minus 32768 to 32767. Okay, and integer constants must have at least one digit. This is the real constants. Real constants often called floating point constants. The real constants could be written in two forms. One is the fractional part and the other one is exponential form. Integer numbers are unable to represent distance, height, temperature, price, so on. So we need another type of numbers called the real numbers. This is the information containing fractional parts or real parts like 56.89, 10.00, 11.50, like that. Such numbers are called real or floating point numbers. The floating point numbers. Okay. For example, a real constants must have at least one digit. It must have a decimal value. Okay, if it in the integer numbers it does not have a decimal value, but in the real numbers it must have a decimal value. It could be either positive or negative. If no sign is specified, then it should be treated as positive. No spaces and commas are allowed in name. Okay, for example, in this picture 23.480 are called the real constants. Okay, in the exponential form of representation, the real constant is represented in the two parts. The first part before appearing E is called mantissa, whereas the part follows E is called exponent. Okay, the first part is the mantissa, the second part is the exponent. The real constants, the mantissa and the exponent part should be separated by the letter E. The mantissa part may have either positive or negative sign. Default sign is positive. In every C program, the default sign is positive. If you need negative, you should be give the minus and prior to it. The exponent must have at least one digit which must be positive or negative integer. Okay, the example is given here. The range expression minus 3.4 E. After the E it is called exponent. Before the E is called the mantissa. The rules for constructing real constants. Real constants must have a decimal point, at least have a one digit. Real constants could be either positive or negative. Default sign is positive, no commas are used. Okay, here. Next, the single character constant. A character is a single alphabet, a single digit, single symbol that is enclosed within the single inverted commas are called the single character constants. Character constant can hold single character at a time. It is enclosed between the single quotes. In this example I shown you that within the anything number placed between the single quotes, special character space between single quotes, this is wrong. 4343 is wrong. Single character is allowed. It's mistakenly placed here. Okay. String constant, and string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in the double quotes. This is the either it may be a characters or numbers that is enclosed between double quotes is called a string constants. This one is wrong. 4343. These are all the right. Enclosed between single quotes of any characters, numbers or symbols or single character constants. String constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. The characters may be letters, numbers, special characters and blank think anything. Okay. Thank you girls. These are all the concepts of constants in C. I hope that you are all understand this. I will explain you the variables and data types in my next classes. Okay. Thank you. So this is the rules for the real constants, the single character constants and string constant. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. Okay. Thank you, girls.